Your front door is more than just an entryway. It's the first impression of your Scott home and a critical part of your home's safety, comfort, and energy efficiency. Over time, even the highest quality doors can show signs of wear and tear. Knowing when to replace your door can save you from higher energy bills, security risks, and aesthetic decline. Here are some clear indicators that it might be time for a new door installation. Visible damage and wear. If your door has cracks, dents, warping, or peeling paint, these aren't just cosmetic issues. They can compromise your home's insulation and security. Warping often occurs due to years of exposure to humidity and temperature changes, especially in Scott's variable weather. A warped door may no longer close properly, leaving gaps that let in drafts or pests. In some cases, visible rust on metal doors or rot on wooden doors means the structural integrity is failing and replacement is the best solution. Drafts and poor insulation. One of the most noticeable signs that you need a new door is feeling a draft even when the door is shut. You might notice cool air seeping in around the edges during winter or your HVAC system working overtime to maintain comfortable temperatures. This usually means the weather stripping is worn or the door frame has shifted. Installing a new, energy-efficient door can dramatically improve insulation, lower utility bills, and make your home more comfortable year-round. Difficulty opening or closing. If your door sticks, creaks, or requires force to open or close, it's a warning sign of frame misalignment, hinge wear, or swelling. Over time, the door frame may settle unevenly, especially in older Scott homes with shifting foundations. While minor adjustments can sometimes help, persistent sticking or scraping indicates a deeper issue. A new installation ensures proper fit and operation, restoring smooth functionality. Noticeable noise or light leaks. Stand near your door during a windy day. Do you hear whistling or rattling sounds? Can you see daylight peeking through the edges? These are telltale signs that your door isn't sealing properly. Gaps around the frame can lead to significant energy loss, moisture intrusion, and noise pollution from outside traffic or neighbors. A professional door installation provides a precise seal, improving both energy performance and peace of mind. Outdated style or faded curb appeal. Aesthetics matter. If your front or patio door looks dated, faded, or mismatched with recent renovations, it can drag down your home's appearance and value. Modern door designs offer a range of styles, colors, and materials that enhance curb appeal while boosting security and efficiency. Upgrading to a stylish new door can give your Scott home a refreshed, welcoming look that stands out in the neighborhood. Increased energy bills. Have your heating or cooling costs risen unexpectedly? Your door could be partly to blame. Older doors, especially those without proper insulation or double-sealed glass, allow heat transfer that forces your HVAC system to work harder. Energy-efficient door installations with advanced insulation and low-E glass panels can significantly reduce energy consumption, an investment that pays off over time. Compromised security. If your door feels loose, the locks don't latch firmly, or you notice damage around the hinges, your home's security may be at risk. Intruders often target weak entry points, so a sturdy, modern door with reinforced locks and solid construction is essential. New door installations often include upgraded locking mechanisms and impact-resistant materials that enhance safety for your family and belongings. Moisture damage or mold. Moisture is a silent threat to any door. If you notice soft spots, mold growth, or water stains, especially near the bottom edges, it's a clear sign the door's seal has failed. Left unchecked, this can spread to nearby walls or flooring. Replacing the door and its frame with a moisture-resistant model can prevent costly structural repairs down the line. Final thoughts. Your home's doors play a vital role in both function and beauty. If you recognize any of these signs, don't wait for the problem to worsen. A professional new door installation in your Scott home can restore comfort, security, and curb appeal, while making your property more energy efficient and valuable. Whether you're upgrading for performance or appearance, the right door can make a lasting difference in how your home looks and feels.